Hello sunshine, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry for being a little bit MIA. I do apologize for that, but now I have a 1 hour and 30 minutes of cleaning. I will be doing speed cleaning on all the bedrooms. They are a mess and they need a little bit of cleaning, and if I do let the kids do it, they're just gonna do it for the surface and they're not gonna do any dusting. But the first thing that I love to do when I do clean in an hour and 30 minutes, it's pick up all the clothes. It's something that we are really bad at it, including myself. We put all the clothes everywhere, but I feel that if I pick up all the clothes from all the bedrooms, it saves me a little bit more time, because that way I can start putting a load of laundry, and then I can continue with the cleaning. So that's what I'm going to be doing. All those towels are clean, and I just tossed them on top of the chair and I left them in there. But like I said, I do pick up all the clothes from all the bedrooms. I don't even get mad at the kids when I see all the clothes on the floor, because I do that as well. We are really bad at putting the clothes where they belong. We do have baskets out in the laundry, and actually right now they're in the living room because we are doing laundry. But somehow we always end up with clothes everywhere. I am going to be leaving the laundry in there because we have a lot of laundry already, and I'm going to continue with the beds. When I do any type of speed cleaning like this and timing myself, I'll usually won't stay in one bedroom and finish with that. I'll do it in sections. Like if I pick up all the clothes from all the bedrooms, and then I'll start doing my bed first, and then I'll make my way towards the kids' bedrooms. And then once I'm done with the last bed, I'll do the dusting and the vacuuming from there, and then I'll make my way back to my bedroom.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing God is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me?
I'm not gonna be washing none of the bedding, since I did wash them 3 days ago, so they're still in good conditions. They don't need no washing until maybe 2 days. Like I said in a previous videos, I do wash my bedding once a week, and if I see that they're in need of washing, then I'll do it, but right now they're okay. We did had a really long weekend after the 4th of July celebration, so we went to sleep late on Sunday, and that's why I am doing the beds and cleaning the bedrooms really late. But I still want to make the beds because I do love to go to sleep with a bedmate. Now this time I did time myself for 1 hour and 30 minutes because let's be real, I wasn't going to be done in 1 hour, even though I do time myself, and I love to time myself because I feel that whenever you're in a rush, you're like on and on, like you don't stop. But I've timed myself before with 1 hour and I was always failing. I was always going over that 1 hour mark. So I decided to make that hour in 30 minutes. And I feel that I did great because I only passed 1 minute. You'll see at the end. I feel that timing yourself gives you more motivation. At least to me, it gives me more motivation to finish on time because like you're in a rush. So it is helpful, in my opinion.
I feels hard inside, but I want you, want you, want you.
Comment down below if you love to time yourself cleaning and what areas in your house you love to clean with a power hour, or in this case 90 minutes of speed cleaning. Now, if you own a bunk bed, you know how hard it is to clean that top part. This is our first time owning a bunk beds, and oh my goodness, it is really hard to make that bed, and even Ivan can do it. And I know that every time he's about to do his bed, he's just gonna put the bedding on top, and I'm okay with that because I struggle a lot every time I have to do that bed. This is the last bedroom that I have to do the beds, and then from here I'm gonna start the dusting and the vacuuming. Now I'm gonna make my way backwards. I'm gonna start in this bedroom, and then I'm gonna go back to the rest of the bedrooms until I finish in my bedroom. When I'm timing myself, I'll usually stick with only one product of cleaning, and in this case I'm using the Method Citron all-purpose cleaner. That way I won't have to like go back and forth with the cleaning products. And this was the final result, guys. I did pass 1 minute after my 90-minute mark that I was going to do it. I think I did accomplish what I wanted to finish. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up and also share the video. And if you're still here and not yet subscribed, hit that red button. Become part of my family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.